Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Whether you're just starting your English speaking journey or looking to boost your fluency, one of the most powerful tools you can use is a consistent daily routine. When people hear me speak confidently in English, they often assume I lived abroad or had a native-speaking partner. But the truth is, I built my fluency right from home, one small habit at a time. You don't need a perfect accent, expensive classes, or even someone to talk to every day. What you need is a smart, simple, and consistent plan. And that's exactly what this guide is about. Here's a full breakdown of how I practice English speaking every single day, step by step. These techniques are easy to follow, flexible for your schedule, and designed to work even if you're shy or starting from zero. I'll walk you through each step with detailed examples so you can build your own routine, just like I did. Step 1. Morning routine. Wake up your English brain. Start your day by activating your English brain. Before checking messages or jumping into work, I do something light and engaging in English. This might be reading a short motivational quote aloud, saying my to-do list in English, or watching a 1-minute video with subtitles and repeating what I hear. For example, I might say, "Today, I need to email my manager, finish the report, and go for a walk after lunch." Saying this out loud gets me thinking in English from the first hour of the day. One of my friends writes her affirmations in English, like, "I am confident, I am learning, I am growing every day." It's a simple practice, but it sets the tone. Step 2. Talk to yourself. Throughout the day. This might sound strange, but it's one of the best habits I've built. Whenever I'm doing something, cooking, cleaning, walking, I describe it out loud in English. It's like narrating your own life. For example, I'm boiling water for tea. I'm looking for my favorite mug. Oh no, it's in the dishwasher again. This habit trains your brain to connect actions and English words naturally. I even talk through decisions. Should I take the bus or walk? The weather is nice. I'll walk. A student of mine practiced this while shopping. Okay, I need tomatoes, onions, and rice. Where is the rice aisle? After a few weeks, she stopped translating in her head. That's real fluency starting to form. Step 3. Shadowing practice. Shadowing is when you listen to a native speaker and repeat their words immediately, matching their tone, rhythm, and speed. I do this every day for just 5 to 10 minutes using YouTube videos, podcasts, or TV shows. One day, I might choose a TED Talk. I pause after each sentence and repeat, "Today, I want to tell you a story. It's about a moment that changed my life." The goal isn't to be perfect, but to train your ears and mouth to work together. Once, I shadowed the intro of my favorite sitcom every day for a week. By Friday, I could match the character's speed and expressions, and it felt like I was part of the show. It's a powerful, immersive practice. Step 4. Record and reflect. Every afternoon or evening, I take a few minutes to record myself speaking. I might talk about my day, answer a question, or describe a picture. Then I listen to it, not to judge, but to learn. Here's an example. Today was stressful. I had back-to-back meetings and forgot to eat lunch. But I finished a big project, so that felt good. Listening back helps me spot unclear words or long pauses. Over time, I hear how my pronunciation improves. One of my learners recorded 1-minute updates every day. By week 2, her speed had doubled. She felt more comfortable expressing ideas without stopping every few words. Step 5. Describe something, a photo, an object, or a memory. Each day, I pick one thing and describe it in detail. It could be a photo on my phone, something on my desk, or a memory. I try to explain how it looks, how it feels, and what it reminds me of. For example, this photo was taken last summer. I'm at the beach with my cousins. The sun is setting, and we're eating ice cream. I remember feeling so happy that day. Doing this helps me stretch my vocabulary and practice using adjectives, past tense, and emotions. It turns a simple object into a storytelling moment. Step 6. Use prompts to train your thinking. Prompts are great because they push you to speak about new topics. I use 1 or 2 daily, often questions like, what's your favorite childhood memory? What's something new you learned this week? Describe your dream home. I set a timer for 2 to 3 minutes and talk non-stop. No stopping. No correcting. Just speaking freely. Once, I answered a prompt. If I could travel anywhere. I ended up telling a 4-minute story about visiting Japan, riding trains, eating ramen, and visiting temples. The more I did this, the easier it became to talk about any subject. Step 7. Wind down with English media. To end my day, I spend 15 to 30 minutes with fun English media, a TV show, podcast, or YouTube video. But here's the key. I stay active. I repeat lines. I guess what's coming next. I take notes of new phrases. One night, I watched a cooking vlog. The host said, "Let's whisk this until it's smooth." I paused and practiced. Let's whisk this until it's smooth. I even said it while cooking the next morning. Media gives you real language in real situations and makes learning feel effortless. Final thoughts. Progress comes from daily action. You don't need hours a day. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up every single day. The steps I've shared have transformed my English speaking and boosted my confidence, not in one day, but over weeks and months. Start small. Choose 2 or 3 of these steps to begin with. Be consistent. Celebrate progress. And remember, you already have everything you need to succeed. Your fluency isn't in the future. It's in your habits today. Keep speaking. Keep growing. The world is listening.